Um, this is the last thing that we can discuss. In many cities, an increasing number of people do not know their neighbors, and there is a lack of sense of community. What are the causes of this problem? How can it be solved? Okay, what do you think?
Okay, from
Jadi,
me, okay, I think because the neighborhood member didn't or rarely have a same event or something that cause they to interact with each other. Okay, jadi kayak event 17-an on Independence Day itu great example to make the neighborhood interact each other, apa namanya, compete each other, but in positive apa namanya, tujuan, positive vibes gitu. Jadi karena bukan kompetisi untuk saling apa ya namanya, apa menyingkirkan banget gitu, tapi having fun aja gitu. Nah, yang event-event kayak gitu yang sebenarnya harus diperbanyak gitu sama pemerintah untuk men-trigger neighborhoodnya ini biar pada keluar lah gitu intinya. Get out from their house and meet each other. That's for me.
I
anyone?
think it's to solve the problem. Willy, jawaban Willy itu kayaknya solusi gitu loh dari masalah yang ada. Terus kayak menurutku why people don't know their neighbors, because now many people frequently moving from rental properties, like ya in apartment, kayak setahun di apartemen yang ini terus moving lagi ke sini, sama kayak kos-kosan 2 tahun di sini nanti pindah lagi ke sana. So people don't really know each other, instead of mereka sibuk juga gitu. Terus ya how to solve-nya, like Willy said, community activity itu kayak 17-an atau apalah yang bisa buat people gathering in one place at the same time.
Social challenge maybe.
Yeah.
And then they post it on Instagram or other social media and get prize from it.
Okay.
Other than that, I think beside those points, I think nowadays people have a high individualism. So there is like a sense of community, and people are busy working from like 9 to 5 and stuff, and working from like 6 days a week, 7 days a week. So they don't have time to socialize because they're tired. I think that's like one of the biggest problem that we face because people are tired. Like when KKM, we live in like desa, like village. People stop working at 12 o'clock because they farm and stuff like that. So they stop at 12 p.m. 12 a.m. 12 p.m. 12 p.m. and they can socialize. So the community is closer than us because we don't have time to socialize because we're too tired, I think. What about you, Kelvin?
I think ya. It's because ini sih lebih ke because the environment ya. Aku suka ngomong kalau sebenarnya nggak ada bedanya orang Indonesia, Japan, or Europe people, kemampuan apa ya, kemampuan pengetahuan, dia punya otak, atau dia punya capability untuk
Hmm.
bersosialisasi. Biasanya yang bikin orang itu jadi malas untuk bersosialisasi itu because of the facilities-nya nggak mendukung.
Common space.
Ah, Iya, the social, the common space.
Lack of common
eh,
space.
Iya, karena kalau misalnya tempatnya itu ada dan proper, itu biasanya dengan sendirinya tuh orang tuh
Ya,
bakal socialize with others gitu.
ya,
Kalau ada
taking
tempat yang
example of
nyaman,
Erpetra ya. Erpetra
iya
is a
Petra.
nice choice. Nice
Aku kan
example.
pernah datang ke perpus Taman Ismail Marzuki tim.
Oh, tim ya.
Ya, itu kan dia gratis ya perpusnya dan sedangkan
Hmm.
sangat proper. Dan banyak banget yang datang ke situ sampai penuh-penuh gitu. Nah, itu artinya apa? Orang Indonesia tuh bukannya nggak suka baca gitu loh.
Lack of
Tapi
aja ya, lack of space.
lebih karena nggak ada aja perpus yang proper gitu. Kalau setiap daerah itu bisa bikin perpus yang seproper tim,
Tim.
ya dengan sendirinya orang bakal datang ke situ nggak sih? Bakal buat baca, buat discuss about something,
Ya.
ngerjain PR, presentasi. Jadi lebih karena nggak ada aja, nggak ada pilihan. We don't have a choice, even a single choice. So the society, the community didn't grow. Kalau soal solusi
Agree with
tadi udah
that.
dibahas, soal solusi tadi udah dibahas sama Welly kan.
Ya.
Tapi itulah masalahnya di situ sih, lebih karena we don't have a choice. Gitu.
Ya, semuanya ke pemerintah sih.
Ya kan?
Balik lagi.
Enggak sepenuhnya, tapi banyak perannya bisa lebih lebih enak gitu. Kalau pemerintahnya
Majority ya.
mau gerak, itu akan lebih mudah, a lot easier. Kalau pemerintah yang gerak dibandingkan masyarakat yang gerak sendiri gitu.
Because they have power kan.
Ya,
Soal
they have
pembebasan
resources. They also have
soal
resources.
soal pembebasan lahan kan itu wewenang pemerintah. Swasta nggak bisa membebaskan lahan segitu mahal gitu kan. Tapi
But
kalau misalnya dia
there's like city-centric kind of thinking. Because people in the village, they don't have that big common space, but the community is strong. What do you think about that?
sorry,
Like, and you said that it's because of the lack of common space, so that people don't interact. But people in the village, like me personally, I grew up in a village, and it's a tight-knit relationship, and we don't have any common space. So we go to someone's house, ngerujak or anything like that, playing in like just the backyard or something like that. So no common space, but the community is growing and tight-knit relationship. So yeah.
what? Yeah, I got your point.
Mm,
What did I think about what do I think about that is because in the village you have an informal job, so
exactly.
there's no 9 to 5.
Exactly.
When you are in your village, you can work from 7 to 9, and then you take a rest like 2 hours. You come to your neighbor,
Replace it.
ngerujak something like that, ngobrol dan nggak ada bos yang ngemarahin,
Exactly.
ya kan? Jadi
They got time.
they have much free time, very flexible, very they have much time to interact with others, and there's a lot of space, nggak gitu crowded juga. Jadi di mana aja tuh bisa ngumpul, nggak harus
Yeah.
dibikin sesuatu space. But in urban area,
Yeah.
you have to work 9 to 5 or 8 to 5, and kalau mau membuat orang itu socialize, you have to facilitate, bikin satu tempat yang ada satu waktu mereka bisa ke sana, karena mereka nggak punya waktu untuk apa ya, untuk datang ke uh, neighbornya di atas jam 5 ya udah capek kan gitu.
Yeah, he's tired too. Like everyone is
Jadi
tired.
harus dipaksa gitu, dipaksa dengan cara bikin fasilitas yang menarik supaya Sabtu Minggunya mereka bisa datang ke situ, they have free time to talk with others. Jadi kayak karena ini sih lebih karena beda aja antara village area and urban area
Yeah,
gitu.
agree.
That's what I think.